Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video we are going to discuss how we can download and install Blender on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So to install Blender on Windows 10, first we have to download the Blender file. For that, open your favorite browser and search for Blender software. So Blender is a free software. It is used to create animated films, visual effects, and you can also create intro and outro for your YouTube videos. So to download Blender for free, just open the link from blender.org. Don't worry about the link will be on the description box. So this is the official website of Blender, so you can download Blender for free. So to download Blender, click on download Blender 2.79b. Here we get the download page. From here you can download Blender for any operating system. So my operating system is Windows. I'm going to download Windows version of Blender. If your operating system is Mac OS, Linux or other version, then you can get the download link here. So let me download Blender. So here you can see that Blender is downloading. It is around 84 MB and it will take few minutes. So let me complete my download, and after that I will show you how you can install Blender on your Windows 10. So the download has been completed. So let me show you how you can install Blender software. For that, just open this file. So here we get the installation wizard. So let me minimize my browser and let me click on next. So here we have the license agreement. So let me accept the license agreement. For that, just check this box and click on next. And don't change anything, just keep it default and click on next. After that, click on install. Then click on yes, and it will start to install Blender on your Windows 10. So the installation has been completed. So let me click on finish and let me launch Blender. So this is our Blender software. With the help of this Blender software, you can create animation films, visual effect and VFX. And you can also create intro and outro for your YouTube videos. So if you don't know how to create intro and outro for your YouTube videos, then I had already made a video on how to create an intro with the help of this Blender software. So the video link will be on the I button, or you will get it in the description box. So this is the new software to you. So if you want to learn all about Blenders and how to use Blender, then you can visit their official YouTube channel. Here you will find lots of video tutorials how to use Blender software. And you can get lots of awesome Blender templates. So you can download the template and you can use the template in your project. So for now I'm going to use 2D intro template. So let's search Blender 2D intro template. So you will get bunch of options. So let's click on this. So I'm going to download this one. So download link will be on the description box. So let's go to description box. So this is on 6th number. So here is the file. So click on download. It will redirect you to some other websites. So we are going to download this one. So download, direct download. So let's open on the folder. So with the help of WinZip, we are going to extract this. So extract here. So here's the folder. Get one file called Blender file. So you have to open this file. Double click on the file. So it will open to your Blender. So now we are going to change the text. Zoom to the name and right click on. Then tab, backspace. So my channel name is thecoderworld. So let's zoom out. So don't mess with the software, just follow me. Then select the font, that is AVI raw, and here you can select folder where you want to save. I want to save on desktop, so I'll select desktop, accept. Now go to render, then you will find render animation. So click on that. So depending upon your computer, it will take some time. So our intro is ready to use. Let's play the intro. So this way you can make your very own intro. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.